Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to screen record with media sound on Samsung Galaxy A56. Alright guys, so if you want to record the media that you are running on your cell phone, or you want to record a video call or your cell phone, then don't need to be worried because you can record the screen with internal sound or media sound. And so yeah, to do that is very easy. So without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Alright guys, so the first thing first that you have to do is now you can swipe down to control center, and then after that now you can long press on the screen record menu, and then so yeah, here's now you can scroll down, and on record sound you can change into media sound. So when you turn on the screen record, the media on your sound will record it. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial and thank you so much for watching. See you guys on the next video. Bye bye.